AI costs way more than human labor. Every time I open the internet lately, somebody is out there yelling about how AI is going to take all the jobs, like the robots are already clocking in, filling out HR forms, and asking for their lunch break. But let's show, let's slow down. Just slow down 1 second and talk about the part nobody ever brings up, the part that companies don't want you to think about. AI is insanely expensive, not a little expensive. Make human labor look like a bargain bin sale. Expensive. People think AI is cheap because the market says so, but the math says something different. Let's break it down. First off, AI runs on a GPU farm the size of a small town, not a laptop, not a desktop, not your nephew's gaming rig. We're talking racks and racks of GPUs, wall servers, cooling systems, backup power, fiber networks, entire buildings full of humming machines. And every one of those machines is drinking electricity and like a dehydrated camel. A single top tier AI model can cost millions per month just to keep the lights on, never generating any results or training nothing, just running it. Meanwhile, human costs a salary, a chair, maybe a coffee machine. That's it. Second, AI doesn't replace humans, it adds more humans. This is the part that makes me laugh every time. Companies thought AI was going to let them fire every half of their staff, not every staff, obviously. Then they found out AI needs engineers, data labelers, reviewers, safety teams, compliance teams, infrastructure teams, customer support, legal teams for when the AI screws up. AI isn't replacing human workers, AI is hiring an entire new department just to babysit it. It's like buying a robot vacuum and discovering you need a full time robot vacuum technician. Third, AI makes mistakes at scale, and the costs money. Humans make mistakes, sure, but AI makes mistakes instantly, confidently, and at industrial volume. One hallucination, that's a lawsuit. One wrong answer, that's PR nightmare. One bad decision, that's a regulatory fine. Companies look at that and said, you know what? Maybe Bob wasn't so expensive after all. Fourth, AI doesn't get cheaper. The more you use it, the more expensive it gets. Humans don't cost 10 times more when you ask them to think harder. AI does. You want longer context, better reasoning, fewer hallucinations, more accuracy, more safety. The cost curve goes straight up like a rocket launch. Every time improvements required, more GPUs, more power, more data, more engineers, more infrastructure. It's not a savings machine, it's a money furnace. So, why do people fear AI taking all their jobs? Because the story sounds good. It sounds fantastic. It sounds dramatic. But in reality, AI is too expensive to replace humans. It barely affords to replace any humans. It's barely affordable to replace any humans, yes. Companies are already quietly admitting admitting it. They're scaling back, they're slowing down, they're realizing the dream was cheaper than the bills. AI isn't the threat. The electric bill is. And that's the morning truth. AI isn't coming for your job. AI isn't coming for your company. AI is coming for your company's wallet. And the wallet is already screaming. Humans aren't going anywhere because humans are still cheapest and most flexible, most reliable systems ever built. And that's the part nobody wants to say out loud. That's my rant. That's my rumble. Take it or leave it. Like, follow, and subscribe, and we'll see you again.